Number 32 to solve for angle x degrees down here and angle y degrees up here. Again, we're looking for angle relationships, and so I notice whenever I've got lines crossing like this, I've got a bunch of vertical angles. If this is 75 degrees, so is this. I'm going to mark that as 75 degrees. Okay. It also tells me that these two angles are supplementary. 75 plus whatever's in here has to add up to 180. Well, 75 plus 105 gets me to 180, and again I've got vertical angles, so this one in here must also be 105 degrees. Kind of hard to read that, sorry. Okay, that'll help me solve now for the two triangles up on the top and the bottom. If this is 43 degrees and this is 105 degrees, those two together have to add up to 148 degrees. Okay, so there's 148 degrees together. I need one more angle in there to make this entire triangle 180. So 180 minus this 148 degrees gives me 32 degrees. Y must be 32 degrees. Okay, so that solves for the triangle on the top and helps me solve for y degrees. Down here, to find x degrees, and again, this is 105 here. That's not given to me, and that's not given to me. We have to go back and also recognize I've got parallel lines. With parallel lines, I've got this line that's like a transversal cutting through. This angle up here and this angle down here have to be the same. X must be 43 degrees because those two angles are the alternate interior angles of this parallel line, and this transversal cutting through. And so x is 43 degrees. Now if we wanted to go further, we could say that this angle also is going to be the same as 32 degrees up there, but it's not really asking for it at this point.